Hi, good morning. This is BK Behera from Behera Textile Tutorials. Today we will learn about spinning process. Spinning process is mainly three types: open-end spinning or rotor spinning, ring spinning, and edge spinning and vertex spinning. Another two types of spinning is for man-made fiber preparation, that is wet spinning and melting spinning. Open-end spinning. A method of open-end spinning which uses a rotor, a high-speed centrifuge, to collect individual fibers into a yarn is known as rotor spinning. The fibers on entering a rapidly rotating rotor are distributed around its circumference and temporarily held there by centrifugal force. The yarn is withdrawn from the rotor wall and because of the rotation, twist is generated. With this type of yarn spinning, heavy yarns are produced like denim yarn. Ring spinning. Ring spinning is a process that spins the short raw fiber into a continuous yarn using a series of machines, as shown as in the figure. The conventional system for processing staple fiber into spun yarn are those developed for cotton and wool. Opening, carding, drawing, combing, roving, and spinning. In this picture, combing is not shown because this is conventional system without combing. Fiber bales coming to blow room, and here we can do opening, cleaning, and blending. Then material come to carding, and in carding the fiber individualization is done, and impurities removed, and trash and short fiber are removed. Then we can take the material in sliver form in a can. This can come to drawing machine, and we can use two number of passes, breaker and finisher. And here in draw frame, material is drafted for parallelization of the fiber. Then after finisher draw frame, the material is coming to roving machine. Here we make a draft to the sliver and make little twist to form a roving. And this roving come to ring spinning. Here we make drafting, twisting and make a yarn. Then this yarn goes to autoconer to cut the faulty yarn and get the good quality of yarn. Air jet spinning. Air jet spinning is also known as vertex or fasciated yarn spinning. It was introduced in the 1980. A basic air jet spinning system is shown in figure. Before the sliver from the draw frame is supplied to the air jet spinning, combing is often used as it is imperative to get rid of any dust or trash that could obstruct the spinning jets. Twist is inserted to the fibers, mostly on the yarn surface, by the vertex created in one or two air jet nozzles. The resulting yarn consists of a core of parallel fibers and a set of wrapped or twisted fibers. The yarn produced by air jet spinning resembles a ring spun yarn but is not as strong. The yarns are also inclined to shrink. High delivery rates of 150 to 450 meters per minute are possible with this technique. Then vertex spinning. Murata Machinery has developed a new spinning process called Murata vertex spinning, which is different from ARZ's false twisted spinning. Vertex spinning takes drawn cotton sliver and draft it to the desired yarn count via a four-roller apron drafting system. The drafted fibers are then sucked into a nozzle where a high-speed air vortex swirls the fiber around the outside of hollow stationary spindle. A rotating air vortex twists the free fiber ends around the bridge fibers with a true twist, producing a ring yarn type of structure. Melt and wet spinning. Reaction spinning man-made fiber production. A process in which polymerization is achieved during the extrusion of reactants through a spinneret system. Melt spinning, man-made fiber production. This spinning process involving conversion of a molten polymer into filaments by extrusion and subsequent cooling of the extrude is known as melt spinning. Wet spinning, man-made fiber production. The spinning process involving conversion of a dissolved polymer into filaments by extrusion into a coagulating liquid is known as wet spinning. The extrusion may be directly into the coagulating liquid or through a small air gap. In the latter case, it may be known as dry jet wet spinning or air gap wet spinning. This is all about the spinning process. Thank you.